Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Home Screen and Lock Screen because that's where Layout locks live. Once there, confirm you already have a device screen lock, PIN, pattern, or fingerprint, since Oppo requires a secure lock before locking the home layout. Next, scroll to the Home Screen section and look for the Lock Home Screen option. This prevents icon moves and theme changes. Tap it to begin. You're preparing the device to enforce the home layout and avoid accidental edits. Once you tap Lock Home Screen, the system will ask you to confirm your device lock, enter your PIN, or verify your fingerprint. Then you'll see configuration choices: lock widgets, lock icons, and lock folders. Choose the combination that matches how strict you want the home layout to be. After making selections, tap Save or Apply. Make sure to test immediately by attempting to move an icon or add a widget. If it doesn't move, the lock is active and working as expected. To finish, reboot once and verify the lock persists across all home pages so accidental edits remain blocked. If you need to undo it, return to the same home screen settings and toggle Lock Home Screen off, then confirm with your PIN. If enabling the lock fails or options are missing, make sure Color OS is up to date and restart the phone. Outdated software or a transient system bug often causes the setting to disappear. If problems continue, contact Oppo support for a device-specific fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.